Hi, I'm Jesse Benelli from the Envu Green Solutions team, and today I'd like to take a few minutes to share the results of a fungicide program trial that we did last year working with the folks at NC State University in the summer of 2023. So this was a summer fungicide programs trial where instead of looking at one treatment being repeatedly applied and targeting just one specific disease, this is more of a program approach with several different products combating a full spectrum of summer turf diseases that creep and bent grass can get. So the two programs that will be shown today is the program that we developed, the Envu Resilia based fungicide program, and a standard fungicide program that was constructed by Dr. Jim Kearns. And so these two programs actually have a lot more similarities than they do differences. And so some of the similarities are the fact that both of these programs are applied every 7 days, which is not uncommon on bent grass surfaces in the transition zone. And both programs in every other application include products that would be applied and watered into the root zone, targeting root diseases. And then between those watered in apps are foliar applications. And so I know on the surface these programs look quite complex, but this is what they really boil down to. And so again, we can see some of the similarities and differences. Both programs use applications of Signature Extra and Dacnil Ultrex to be applied for foliar disease control and plant health, with one difference being that we rotated our Signature plus DAC with Signature and Interface. Both programs also, every 2 weeks, contain products watered into the root zone. So you can see some of the product choices are also similar. Both programs incorporate some of the Pythium root rot specialists. Those would be Serrata or Segway, both high quality Pythium root rot products. And then each program also includes products known for being more of a broad spectrum root disease product, with the standard program opting for Lexicon and the Envu program using Resilia Root Health Solution that was launched last year as the first all-in-one solution for things like fairy ring, patch diseases, Pythium root rot, and suppression of nematodes. So both of those programs are high quality programs, and they both were success stories in their own right. This is a type of environment where the goal is just to make it to the end of the summer alive and having green turf, and both programs did that and did that very well. So relative to the non-treated, both programs obviously produced greater turf grass quality. However, there were significant differences between the programs themselves, with the Envu Resilia-based fungicide program improving turf grass quality on several rating dates, especially towards the end of the summer. And it's also captured when we calculate the area under the turf grass quality progress curve. So looking at some of the drone images, this is from the last rating date on August 15th. I'd like to thank Dr. Kearns' lab for allowing this to happen to their plots. As we can see, the non-treated control plots were completely devastated and they suffered significant turf loss. And again, both programs finished the year doing okay. We can see in the standard program there is symptoms of stress. There a little bit of a decline in turf quality and uniformity relative to the Resilia-based fungicide program that had outstanding quality all summer long. And at this point, it's mid-August. Field day has already occurred. The final reports are being drawn up, and the trial is over. And one of the surprising things happened 2.5 months later when I was on site visiting a different trial, but couldn't help but notice Where this trial used to be located, you could still easily see where all of the Envu Resilia program plots were in this trial. And again, the non-treated control was devastated, lots of injury. So in a way to help recover these plots, they aerified twice, in September and October, and I visited the trial again on November 3rd and could still clearly see where the Resilia plots were located in this trial. And obviously, you can't just say that Resilia is causing this enhanced aerification recovery, because in a fungicide program, it's really the sum of the parts which creates its success. And I also don't think that this is some magical plant health benefit. I think this all relates back to outstanding disease control and outstanding root disease control. I would imagine if you take away all the pathogens out there, I don't think we would see these differences in aerification. But the better you can control these root pathogens, the less stress your turf will be under, and it can recover from things like aerification faster because it's under less stress. So thanks for watching, and please continue to follow us for more updates from the Envu Green Solutions team. Thanks.